Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your likes on TikTok. So if you want to ensure that only you can see your like video and you want to turn off your likes on TikTok so anyone or everyone cannot see your like videos, you can just follow these steps right here. Okay, let's try to launch the TikTok apps first, and after this you can go to your profile. Okay, you can see that my like videos is currently on public, so anyone can see my like videos. If it's turned off, it will show like this with the eye cross on the at the front of the heart icon. So let's try to turn it off. You can click on the three lines icon at the top of right corner of your profile, go to the settings and privacy, and then here tap on privacy. We can just scroll down until you find under the interactions like videos. You can see the setting is now currently everyone, so everyone on TikTok can see the TikTok videos that I have like. So to turn it off, you can just click on it and change it into only you. So after that, you can just close it, and now your like videos will can only be seen by you unless you change the settings again. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful, and let me repeat the steps again if in case you didn't listen properly. You can first open your TikTok, go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy again and then scroll down until you find the like videos option. In here you need to make sure that the settings is on the only you, so that it will turn off your likes on TikTok and your like videos will be hidden from everyone. So you can just go back after that, and that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you have any questions, and also click on the thanks and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. So that's all from me. Thank you.